Hi friends, welcome back to DoSeum Do It at Home. My name's Kelsey, and today we'll be making a Sock-topus, just like this one. This one here is named Ocho, because ocho means 8 in Spanish, and octopus have 8 legs. If you want to find out how to make a Sock-topus of your very own, stick around, I'll show you how. So for this Sock-topus activity today, we'll need a couple of things. First of all, we'll need some socks. Whoop. I got quite a few here to choose from. We'll look at them in a second. You'll also need zip ties. I have 3, but you'll only need 1. You'll also need some scissors. These are my big grown-up scissors, but you can use any kind of scissors at home. Just make sure your grown-up is nearby to help you. Some glue. A marker to decorate your Sock-topus with, and anything else you'd like to decorate it with. I have some foam shapes and some really pretty ribbon and some googly eyes. The last thing you'll need is a big old cloud. Just kidding. It's some cotton fluff to make the head of our Sock-topus. Once you have all of those things, you're ready to get started. So these are the socks I have here today. It's best to use a crew length sock like this one that's a little bit longer. It's a tough choice. There's a lot of cool socks here. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So once you have your sock, the first thing you're gonna do is turn it inside out. There we go. And then you're gonna put your sock all the way on your hand so it looks like this. Hello. Next thing you're gonna do is take your whole hand and stick it in the fluff and get a big old ball of fluff in your sock hand. And then you're gonna pull the sock off. Make sure you hold on to the fluff all the way to the end. And this is the head of your Sock-topus. And then you're gonna take your zip tie and go right at the bottom of the head or the base of the head and zip tie it so none of the fluff falls out. I like that sound it makes. Real tight, just like that. Next thing you're gonna do is cut off the excess zip tie piece. Be very careful not to cut the head of your Sock-topus. Then we're going to cut the tentacles or the legs of the octopus out of the sock. You'll take your scissors and cut just straight up to the top, just like that. And you'll just cut all of your tentacles until you have 8. Just like an octopus does. You'll want to be careful around the heel of the sock. There's a little extra fabric there. And now that you have your 8 tentacles, or however many you decided your Sock-topus needs, it's time to decorate. I think I'm gonna start off with the eyes. So next up I'm gonna add my googly eyes with a little bit of glue. If you don't have googly eyes, you can just draw them on at home. I'm gonna add a little smile for my Sock-topus guy. And I think I'm gonna add a little bow down here on the bottom. What do you think? Rainbow or blue ribbon? I think I like the rainbow one. There we go. Now, your final step is gonna be to name your Sock-topus friend. I think he looks like a key lime to me. You know what's a great idea? We should go play with our Sock-topus friends in our new summer exhibit, Voyage to the Deep. There's a huge squid in there. It'll be like you're right at home. Let's go. That was a lot of fun, huh, Key Lime? Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll see you next time. Bye!